So, may mga nagtatanong bakit nga ba may mga kailangan pa mag-join sa party ninyo, gano'n. So, saan nga ba nakikita yon? Bakit kailangan i-accept, like that. So, kapag kayo po ay naka-live, may makikita sila na plus sign. So, once they click it po, they are applying to become member of your party room. So, yung membership na yon, para siyang fans club. So, kailangan lang kayong i-accept nung mismong party owner. As a member, you will have member tile, exclusive gift, entry animation, at saka level up notification. So, di ba sa gift icon, may makikita kayo doon na parang for membership lang. So, you can send this specifically gift doon lang sa mga party room na member ka. And another thing, syempre, mas pansin kayo dun sa specific room na members kayo kasi meron siyang nakalagay na member tag. So, once in-accept po kayo nung party room owner, you will have those privileges and makikita niyo naman po yung details nun. Always look for the question mark for you to understand the rules of that specific button. So, lagi niyo lang hahanapin yung question mark dito kay Crush Live para mas maintindihan niyo po siya. And in case naman po na ayaw niyo na, gusto niyo na mag-quit dun sa membership na yon, pwede naman din po. So, ang gagawin niyo lang din po, i-click niyo lang din po yung parang yellow dun. So, i-click niyo po yun and then may lalabas sa may baba, may makikita kayong quit. So, you must click it para po kayo po ay maging quit or hindi na kayo kabilang dun sa membership of that party room. Ganun lang yun. So, ma'am, puwede po ba akong umupo dun sa room na yun kahit hindi po ako mag-join as member nila? Yes, definitely yes. Pero siyempre if you wanted to be close to that person or kaya naman po is maging part ng, kanilang party room, maging member nila, you just need to click the plus sign. So, madali lang siyang makita, ha. And as a party room owner, makikita nyo naman din po kung meron po nag apply as member ng inyong party room. May makikita kayong notification naman din po doon. So guys, if you wanted to become part of Crush Live, gusto nyo mag-agent, just message me, check my bio or the comment section. So earn now using Crush Live and I will guide you.